Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to keep Instagram in default light mode. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your profile, press on menu. Now scroll down. Press on accessibility and translations. Now go to dark mode. Here, if you keep your Instagram in default light mode, you just have to press your off option. That's it. So this is how you keep Instagram in default light mode in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.